One of my main annoyances in Google Slides and Language Classroom is putting accents in a Google Slide presentation. And we've had a lot of projects this past year, and every time a kid has asked me, how do I put the accents in? I would tell them to go get it somewhere else and copy and paste it into here. But I just discovered something that many of you probably already know, but I thought I would share it anyways, to see and help those few that may not have known this already. So Google Slides has add-ons, so you'll need to make sure you have a Google Slide presentation open first, and then once you do, you're going to go here in your menu to add-ons in the Google Slide menu. You click on add-ons, and you'll see that I already have 3 that I have installed here. One of them is Easy Accents, the other is Nearpod, and the third is Pear Deck. But in order to get it for the first time, you'll need to go down to Get Add-ons. And once you go down to Get Add-ons, it'll load, and you can either search up here in the top, or you can just browse down. You can see it down here on the left, Easy Accents. But if you wanted to just look up Easy Accents, and you'll notice that Easy Accents is there for docs as well as slides. So you could follow the same process for docs as you do slides. So you click on that, and it will bring it up. You click on it, and you click Install. Mine says uninstall because it's already installed. So once you click Install, it'll install, close this window, and then what you'll need to do though is you'll go to Add-ons, and then you'll hover over Easy Accents Slides, and then over here and click Start. The first time that you go in, it's going to ask you to select a language. So you'll select in the drop-down menu. They have Esperanto too, but I'm going to pick Spanish, so I click on Spanish, and then once I select it, it will load, and you get all your different options here. So you have your A, your vowels, and your upside down question mark, right upside down exclamation mark, the euro, and just your basics of that you're going to use in Spanish. Those of you that might teach multiple languages, you can come down here and you can just at the bottom select the other language that you want to do. I'm going to click outside that box so I don't change my language. So now when I want to insert one, I'm going to insert a new slide, and if I wanted to write the question, ¿Cómo estás?, then I would click on the upside down question mark, and then I would put ¿Cómo?, so I need the O, alright, and then estás, and then type it in. There we go. And how do we get the capital? And that is just how you do it. I just learned right now. You hold down the shift and click the button, and then you get the accent, uppercase accent. So, and then there we go. That's how to do accents. You can do that with Easy Accents add-on in Google Slides or in Google Docs. Have fun.